Ready?
Yeah.
The rectum is an 8-inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus. The rectum receives stool from the colon, sends signal to the brain if there is stool to be evacuated, and holds stool until evacuation can happen. Now let's talk about two types of digestions. Mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion starts in our mouth by using our teeth to chew food into smaller, swallowable size. Also, as we chew or masticate our food, the stomach's smooth muscles are activated and will continue with the mechanical digestion by turning the food that we swallow in smaller particles called chyme. Mechanical digestion only breaks down the food we eat. Chemical digestion occurs in our mouth, stomach, and small intestine. The food that we eat has large molecules that need to be broken down to smaller, absorbable molecules. In order for that to happen, the digestive enzymes are released and causes that change. The salivary glands that secrete enzymes amylase that breaks down some of the carbohydrates into simple sugar that is called monosaccharides. In the stomach is where you break down large molecules of proteins that consist of amino acids. Pepsin is an enzyme that breaks down a protein into smaller individual amino acids. In the small intestine, the duodenum is where most of the fats and the rest of the carbohydrates are broken down. Chemical digestion uses enzymes to break down molecules into smaller observable molecules. Now let's talk about the five major group. Now let's talk